Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. I changed my background up a little bit. I'm going to put some lights here, okay? Let me know what your favorite lights are, because I've been seeing different things. I really want the boxes. So I got my PR, Boxycharm By Ipsy. I will be posting, I'm going to try to get this up possibly today, the 3rd, or tomorrow, the 4th. I also have me picking all my selections for Boxycharm By Ipsy and the items for Ipsy Glam Bag, and all the items I could have chosen, and add-ons and all that kind of stuff. So that's going to go up the following day. I don't get to make any of these selections. I do have a link down below if you do want to sign up for Boxycharm By Ipsy, Icon Box, or Ipsy Glam Bag. I get a little bit of commission, you get some money off, and you're supporting a small creator like me. And I always use spoilers, so I already did that. I'll link that. But let's get into this. I don't get to make any of these selections because this is sent to me for free, and I review it. So first, I already opened this, but I have not swatched them. I wanted to swatch them with you. This is from Laura Geller. This is the Style Eyes Liner Duo in Royal Plum and Warm Cocoa. So I wanted to swatch that. And these are not twist ups. They kind of look like they're twist ups, but it is a twist up. Okay. Oh, I thought that was a sharpener on the bottom. No, don't do that. Okay, let me swatch the Warm Cocoa. Oh, I thought it was going to be bronze. Kind of looks like it would be. Oh, it kind of is. Okay. So there it is. It does have a little bit of shimmer. Well, I can't really see shimmer, but I thought it was going to be like, I guess it kind of is, but it's like a dark brown with a little bit of like a sheen. I don't know if you can see it. And then it is a twist up. And there's not a sharpener. I thought it was a sharpener. And then the Royal Plum is like a, oh, it sort of is like a, it is like a metallic dark plum. So they're not fully matte. I hope it'll last in the water line. I let them dry a little bit and then I'll try to rub them and see how they last. We have some Fenty Skin, which they're not cruelty free anymore. I wish they were. This isn't good on my mother-in-law. I already told her that. This is the Flash Nap Instant Revival Eye Gel Cream and Eye Massage Tool. I'll just open it. I'm not gonna be trying it. So this is like their standard packaging, the purple, and then has this little eye roller, which is really cute. I have some facial rollers, but they're bigger and it's easy to hold. Kind of has, I don't know, like put your fingers, already has an indent. So I'm going to give that to her. And one of my friends, Alicia Budget's Beauty, said she's going to use that for headaches, migraines. So it's probably pretty soothing under the eyes. And then we have from Sonage, this is the Opalese Brightening Serum. So it's a dark spot corrector. So I guess this is for targeted, I don't know, like more targeted, like targeted, I don't know what, spots instead of just like everywhere. It says brightening, so I guess brightening dark spots. I think we got something from this brand, I want to say before, but I don't remember. But you need to use it consistently for 12 weeks, it says. Just to either wear alone or under moisturizer. It has tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and then ferulic acid, and then some other stuff. It's not that like many ingredients, and it's women owned, so that's pretty cool. So I will try this. I have some dark spots. It doesn't really bother me, but I'll let you know. Or I'll put it in a giveaway. I don't know. And then this is from Ciate London. I don't remember, maybe I did see this as a spoiler. I don't remember. But the packaging is really cute. We've gotten quite a few products from Ciate London, but this is a Vitamin Boost setting spray. I think I am going to put this in a giveaway because I have enough setting sprays at the moment. And I don't know, it'd be a nice little thing to get. And then last but not least, we have from Ipsy, which I did not choose this for my paid for box. And I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to use it or I'm going to put it in a giveaway. The packaging is really cute. It's just, I have pastel palettes. It's really cute. It's cute, but I've only tried, I think, 1 or 2 other palettes from Ipsy, and they were just okay. This is Raised, and this is, I think I said Whimsical Bloom, but I mean, it's pretty. Let me show you the shimmer. So they look nice. It's just, I don't know. I'm kind of nervous about this palette. It does have a kind of like a chemically smell, and the shimmer is just, I don't know. So I probably will be putting this in a giveaway as well. Once I get monetized on here, I will do a giveaway. I am working on my giveaways. I have the boxes like below me I have the boxes behind me for my TikTok and my Instagram giveaway. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, I'm Vegan Brie 823, and also on Instagram I'm Vegan Brie 823. Those are my 1,000 follower giveaways. So not too bad. And then I'll get into some of the spoilers that I see so far for February or for March. It's crazy. So get used to saying February. We're on February 3rd today. So let's see. Okay, so there's some mystery bags this month that are limited edition. They look kind of cute right there. And then it's a scan to learn more about your products. I don't know if I can do that because this is PR. But I also get Boxycharm By Ipsy. As I said, I get Boxycharm By Ipsy. I paid for it, and I got Ipsy Glam Bag this month. I don't know if I'm going to keep getting it, but... And, okay, so sneak peek. It's a sneak peek for the next few months, but these could be next month. From Fenty, again, not cruelty-free. They used to be. This is the Fenty Cheek Suede Powder Blush and Petal Popping. It looks like a cute shade. And then from Verb. Oh, no, we got Verb for, at least not for a while. This is their Volume Dry Texture Spray. I want to see their clarifying shampoo. I'm interested to try that. Let me know if you've tried it. And then from Drunk Elephant, which we haven't gotten Drunk Elephant. I think we've only gotten Drunk Elephant in Icon Box. But this is the Oh Blues Rosy Drops. I'm not the biggest drop fan. I like liquid products, but I prefer for them to just be in like a doe foot or in like a compact personally. That is my Boxycharm By Ipsy PR unboxing. Stay tuned for my pay for it unboxing, as well as my next video the day after this comes out is going to be me selecting my products for Boxycharm By Ipsy and all the options, all the products I could have chosen. And also I did find today they posted all the options for Icon Box, Ipsy Land Bag, and Boxycharm By Ipsy. So stay tuned for that video. As always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. Beauty is my form of self-care. What is your form of self-care? Because it's always important to take care of you. You can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself. And I hope to see you in my next video. If you like this video, please click subscribe if you haven't already, and click like. And let me know, would you have enjoyed this box? Would you have enjoyed this box? Or what you chose for Boxycharm By Ipsy, Icon Box, or Ipsy Glam Bag? And I will see you in my next video.